Next, let's talk about the global and local coordinate systems. The global coordinate system is based on the 3D viewport's world axis, while the local coordinate system is specific to each object. Let me show you what that means. If we rotate an object along the x-axis by 90 degrees using Rx90, and then scale it along the z-axis using Sz, it looks like it's scaling along the z-axis in the 3D viewport. But if you check the object properties, you'll see that the value for the y-axis has changed instead. This happens because the viewport's coordinate system is currently set to global. On the other hand, the values in the Object Properties panel are based on the local coordinate system. Let's visualize this more clearly. Change the 3D viewport's coordinate system to local, enable the z-axis under viewport overlays, and check the Move option in the Object Gizmo settings. Now you can see that the global and local axes don't align. If you reset the rotation and scale by pressing Alt-R and Alt-S, the axes will match again. This is especially useful when scaling objects. Using the right coordinate system ensures that transformations behave as expected. Let's try something else. Switch the 3D viewport's coordinate system back to global and rotate the object along the x-axis. Now, if you try to scale it along the z-axis, you'll notice that the transformation doesn't align properly with the object's actual shape. To fix this, switch the coordinate system to local before scaling, or simply press Z multiple times to toggle between the global and local z-axes. Now let's talk about Apply, which is closely related to what we just covered. In the Object menu, you'll find the Apply option, where you can apply location, rotation, and scale. Applying transformations resets their values to default. If you choose Apply All Transforms, it applies all three at once. The hotkey for this is Control-A. Let's try applying all transforms now. Look at the transformation values in the Object Properties panel. Everything has been reset to default. The local gizmo now aligns with the global coordinate system. This means that the current shape is now considered the default state of the object. So if you clear transformations after applying them, the object will return to this new default state.